Hi, I'm Larry, and we're Pacific Wealth Strategists.
At Pacific Wealth Strategists, we help you plan for your future.
We specialize in financial planning for individuals, families, and businesses. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401ks, and for income planning with individuals that are approaching retirement and want to make sure that their money will last as long as they need it to.
Welcome to our office. This is the reception area. We definitely know how important coffee is. And this is our conference room where the magic happens. And say hi to Mickey.
If you're looking for quality financial information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
We also have an Instagram and Facebook at Pacific Wealth Strategists.
And please remember to check out our website at teampwsi.com.
If you're looking to schedule a meeting, please do so on our website or give us a call at 909-748-5658. And we hope to hear from you soon.
We're Pacific Wealth Strategists.